Let's do one more exercise in SolidWorks, closed triangle ring. You will see this isometric view. These are the closed ring, but see how this is going to tangle each around. You will see all dimensions are in millimeter, corner tangent length 1 millimeter, 3 times. Now look, all sides are equal, tangent length 3 times. Now look, the gap between these two bar 40 millimeter, and from center to one bar 30 millimeters. This is center point. Now the diameter of this ring is 20 millimeter. Now you will see at bottom view, this is located at 12 degree 100 millimeter. So this is distance from bottom view. So let's see how we can do this. First we will create a surface profile between 40 millimeter long. Then we will use circular feature and make three number of same profile with 12 degree. Then we will connect those profile through this curve, and that is all tangent length are 3 times. Then we will use shift command and create these pipes. Let's see. Top plane sketch. First I am going to create the base structure. Line tool, just pass through. Press escape key to out. Now make these two lines construction. Now select origin point and select this line and make it midpoint. Okay, because this is middle line. 100 millimeter and the angle is 12 degree. Okay, now go to surface and activate extruded surface. Now keep downside, and length of the bottom one is 40 millimeter and offset 30 millimeter from here. 30 millimeter again change the direction. See, you have to change the direction. 30 millimeter from center to here, and this length 40. Say okay. Now I want to make three number of same pattern. So first I am going to create axis. Two plane, top plane, right plane. Now you will see, okay, this is see origin. See, this is located at the center of origin. Now go to feature, activate here circular pattern. Now direction, I am going to select this axis. Now choose body, select this. Here give instance spacing 360 equal, because this is located at equal position. So you have to apply complete 360 angle, and three number of patterns we need. Say okay. See. Now the most important thing, another, go to surface, loft surface. Now I want to connect this all. So here let's say profile. Now keep cursor this side. Okay. Now for this side, select this side. See, these are the node points. These points are important, but start and end constraint. Tangent to face. See the arrow. It should be 3 times. Here apply 3. Okay. End constraint. Tangent to face 3 times. See, here apply to all, means this is going to apply all the corners. Okay, done. See the view. See, this is going to be path for rod. Again circular pattern. Now here direction, choose this axis. Now bodies, select this. Now see the preview. Here again apply 360 angle and three number of bodies we need. So complete 360. Okay, look. See the profile from side view. This is important. Look. This is front view. Okay. Anyhow, let's first let me do one thing. Make it one body. So go to surface because there are too many bodies. See, knit surface. Now select here all 1, 2, 3. Merge entities. Okay. Now here we have only one body. Now go to feature, swift boss base, circular profile. Here make diameter 20. Now here let me select this path. Either you have to choose one by one or simply clear, right click, choose here selection manager. Now here select, let me, now here select group. So first select this one. You will see this symbol arrow, click. It will cover maximum area. Then again I am going to click somewhere here. Again see, select this arrow and this tangent. See, this is going to cover all. You don't need to miss anything. Say OK. Now see, the rod is going to apply. Now in options, merge tangent faces. If you uncheck, it will not give you any edges. Say OK. Now let me delete this. Go to direct editing and delete or keep body. Delete body for here, clear, and select this surface. Delete. Now hide. See. Now material we applied brass. Copper, brass, 85, apply, close. Now view is not that good, so brushed brass. Now look the preview. See. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.